everyone. This is the other box that come in the big box. So we'll have a look what's inside this one. Oh, so this is Polygel. So it looks as if you've got all your instructions and tips, and oh, you've even got pictures to make it easy, which is good. And these are, as I call them, pockets, but I do like these with the actual guide on them, because it, obviously different shape of your fingers, you need them all to be the same length. So then you just count on the little rings exactly which you want. So looks like 2 polygels, one's white and one's pink. So we'll have a look at those. There's a brush as well in this. So one end you've got your scraper, and the other end you've got your brush to actually smooth out the polygel. And that there is a solution for the polygel. There is a file, and this is 100, 180. There's a couple of little crystals, and that's glitter in there. You've also got your top coat and your base coat, and this looks like a little oh yeah, look at that, USB on there. And then, oh, it comes in a little bag. Instructions as well with it. How nifty is this? And there you go. And yeah, it's got little legs on if you want to do it that way. Don't want to break my nails trying to get it up. There we go. So it will stand like that, or you can put it up because it's not interfering with any of the LEDs if you just want to go over. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll get things ready with the polygel, and I'll be back. Well, I'm back with the other box that came, and it's polygel, and it also come with one of these little lights. I think these are really handy, and it's a USB. So I've got one of these, what you charge up, and then you can use your phone. You know, if your phone dies, these are always handy to have. So I've plugged mine in there, and you've got a button on the side, and there you go. And it's got little feet. I have to get it over there, it's a little bit tight. And it's got little feet as well, so as you can put it down and put your fingers underneath. Okay, so I'll leave that as that at the minute, and we'll get on with the polygel. So you've got your top coat and your base coat, and you've got your polygel liquid, and like I say, there's a white and a pink, and then I've got the brush and also the scraper, and then I've got the pockets, which I love these, and a file, and like I say, all your instructions are there. So we will get going. So I'll just pour a little bit of this in the lid. I can squeeze it out. Wow, it is a strong little bottle. Yeah. So as long as I've just got a little bit there, take away there. So I'm going to get the poppets, and I'll just do random ones, and also you get a big glitter and a few crystals as well. So this one is the pink. So we'll do the pink one first. Don't forget to put your top back on. Doesn't matter how I do it really. It's a case of just showing the ease of how the gel goes on, which as you can see is quite nice. In fact, that's really nice. So all I shall do with this is just cure it and pop it off, so as you can actually see on the other side. Just put it down a little bit more. Okay, so I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds, then I'll be back. So now I'm going to do the clear. So I'll pop it up. Again, put your lid back on. And I'll do this one. Scrape it off. Shouldn't have put that much on really, because it's a smaller much smaller mould. But you'll learn, as you say. Now that's better. Just make sure it's up the sides. And I'm going to cure that again for 60 seconds under the little one, under this little tiny one, and I'll be back. Okay, so I've cured those. So all I need to do now is pop it out of here. And obviously you would file. So that's the clear. And obviously you'd take your time with it being on your nails. You know, this is just to see what it comes out like. Ooh! We had a flirter. Went everywhere. And there is the pink one. So, yeah. Both fine. No problem at all to do with your pockets. And like I say, with your file, you just file them all the way around. If you wanted to, you can add, when you put your clear polygel on, you can actually mix it with a little bit of the glitter to make it a little bit different. And this little lamp is really good. You could even take that on holiday with you if you needed to do your nails while you're away. That's if and when you go away. But it's ideal, really ideal. And it's such a powerful little lamp as well, you know. Very good. Well, like I say, you would then put your top coat over the top, and your base coat obviously would have gone underneath. But everything works fine, and as I've said before, these poppets are brilliant with having the lines on them, so you can get all your nails the same length. Brilliant idea. Well, I'd like to thank Modelones for sending me these to try. And I hope you've enjoyed watching, and the links will be in the description box with my discount code, and go and check the site out. I've never had any problems, so yeah, go and see. Well, thank you again for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next. Bye!